Imagine what good we can do in the world if we all join together, united as followers of Christ, anxiously and busily responding to the needs of others and serving those around us. What would be the cumulative effect of millions of small, compassionate acts performed daily by us because of our heartfelt Christian love for others? These simple daily acts of service may not seem like much, but when considered collectively, they become just like the 1/12 teaspoon of honey contributed by a single bee to the hive. What do we need to do to become like the dedicated honeybees and have that dedication become part of our nature? How do we make this change? How do we ingrain this love of Christ into our hearts? There is one simple daily practice that can make a difference for every member of the church. In your morning prayer each new day, ask Heavenly Father to guide you to recognize an opportunity to serve one of His precious children. Then go throughout the day with your heart full of faith and love, looking for someone to help. If you do this, your spiritual sensitivities will be enlarged, and you'll discover opportunities to serve that you never before realized were possible. And remember, like the little honeybees, 1/12 of teaspoon of honey, if we multiply our efforts by tens of thousands, even millions of prayerful efforts to share God's love for His children through Christian service, there will be a compounding effect of good that will bring the light of Christ to this ever-darkening world. Bound together, we will bring love and compassion to our own family and to the lonely, the poor, the broken, and those of our Heavenly Father's children who are searching for truth and peace. At the end of each day, may we be able to say yes to the question, have I done any good in the world today? Have I helped anyone in need? This is God's work. May we be about it as faithfully and as dedicated as little honeybees go about theirs.